discussion is freebies, are they right or wrong?
So, hello everyone. Our topic of GD is freebies in election is right or wrong. So, my point of view is that freebies in election is completely wrong thing because it is a kind of a corruption in India because politicians are using the these freebies for their personal like interest.
I totally disagree with
I am
you
totally
because
agree
the
with
I
you.
agree with her. Like it affect the psychology of people who are not earning enough and using these freebies and not doing anything. They become more lazy and don't work for
but
their
I am
life.
totally disagree with you because the free day rule in a in a Indian country because the many people are below poverty line and middle level family or
But I totally disagree with you because this
freebies is
phrase,
not
why this phrase come in
upper
the
level
election
of- upper
election
level
medium?
of,
Why
people.
government not give the freebies in their 5 year tenure? Why they give the freebies only in election? There is a strategy that they attract
I'm slightly disagree with
votes.
you,
So they
but
are giving freebies throughout.
yeah, throughout the
Because
India, if we see
the rural people are the main they not develop for their own perspective, but the government help with the scheme they develop their and their living standard are high. Then the
and freebies promote many skills also. Like if we talk about the Silai Machine Yojana and like this small skills development programs.
The
I
Ladli
completely
Bahan-
agree with
the Ladli Bahan Yojana is
this
also
topic.
a best example.
Yeah.
In my family, my father is a government job. Then the benefit of this yojana is not for the people they who people then they are the below poverty line and the middle farmers they women are provide this they beneficial for this
I am
population.
completely agree with Gaurav topic. According to central government, in 2023 and 24 फ्री राशन योजना से फ्री राशन योजना से लगभग 60 लाख पुअर फैमिली ओवरकम हुई है पॉवर्टी से.
And
I think
also-
there are-
and
I think
also,
in
government
freebies-
government are secured rule for the specific population that
If
need
you
a
go to the
document for
expenditure of the
provide
government,
their-
if you go to the expenditure of the government, the expenditure on the freebies of the government is very increasing in day by day, and the state governments also take the loan from the central government to provide the freebies. This is a very burden for the government to provide the freebies.
I am agree
and
with
they-
Vinay. This
there are
is
lot of
basically to
that-
support them.
like
but
Punjab
people
and
are mainly depending on
Haryana
them.
is also going a debt to provide the freebies, and
Their-
also the
their
Delhi government. So
government
how
are
they
also working their strategy, but the main point is the
government should provide the skills, provide the free education.
They are taking
the
loans
freebies
main
is-
population, the STSC,
People-
they are backward in the rural. Their schemes are beneficial for the STSC.
No,
and
they
the
provide
people
the
and
they
the-
provide a jobs
But
to the
some
them, they provide
people are
employment to
misusing
them.
them.
Freebies is not
They
an
are
option
above
that
poverty.
workers and the
freebies
people
with many
they become
schemes are-
lazy.
I
They do not
agree
work.
with him. Like many people which are above poverty line are also mm,
the
taking advantage of this scheme and take freebies.
Due to this, Maharashtra is disapprove this and they are stopping this Ladli Lakshmi Bihar Yojana.
in a Jharkhand, the Jharkhand is a tribal state, and the MP is also tribal state. And in a MP and a Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, mostly people are backward. ST/SC people are mostly they are backward, and the freebies is a advantage for people for they growing their skills and free educations and their shelter and the best
Free
everyone is
free
doing
education
that.
is totally compared to the freebies. These are
Yeah,
different
but-
topic.
but-
And the
but
government
the
should
same
go.
opportunity for
If you
rural
go to the
people.
village in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, you should have to see what is the primary school, what is the infrastructure, what is the
Those
provide
people are
the-
not
this is
capable
not completely
to
related
pay
to the
a
freebies.
private fees in
I had some
a
point about central
college.
government in प्रधानमंत्री कृषि योजना तो 2000 rupee per quarterly to improve farmers health and
they provide many programs and if we talk about the KCC and
I continue
yojanas,
with
Yeah.
your. The government provide their credit amount for
Yes,
the
yes.
farmers.
that is so
For-
flexible scheme.
for
Yes,
the,
minimum
in a
For
interest.
the
case-
benefit of the
in a case
for the
farmer
benefits of the
are-
farmers.
farmer are
For the
not
benefit of the farmer,
accurate,
you know.
Provide their accurate rate for their farming. That
Their
they
Government provide
government also
2,000 per month to the kisans in
Per month,
in-
quarterly.
quarterly to
Quarterly
the
basis.
to the farmers. And if you take the old data, there are most of the farmers is above middle level.
They are
middle
not
class,
eligible.
Above
basically.
I am not
poverty
agree
level.
with you. I am totally not agree
There are-
with you.
poverty line in a-
There are less farmers who have the field जमीन के पास
Necessary.
जमीन होती है. There
And
are
the-
less
not-
less
not
farmers.
for all farmers. There are a legal constitute.
Yeah,
there are
legal
a
procedure
legal
and also
procedure
some
where all
standard
documents are
on which
necessary for
the schemes are provided
scheme.
to them.
My friend has made very good point, but here we are talking about that freebies in election are good or not.
Yes.
You guys are talking about freebies in India is good or not. Like using the freebies for the election, for their personal interest, for the winning of the election is right or wrong.
But-
so you
but
are
these
just
schemes
skipping the
al-
topic.
But this
This
scheme
is
create
scheme
the
apply
image
to
image
after
of the party
election.
and
This is scheme after apply to after election.
and this
And
type
continue
of
to 5 years.
this type of scheme
Yeah,
fluctuate the vote.
continue for the 5 years, but
Yes.
for using this for the election, if you
They
are
are taking
using the
basically
freebies
votes
for
from
the
them.
people's welfare, then this is a very right thing or a very useful thing. But if you are using these things only for your winning of the elections and only for your personal interest, then this thing is very very wrong. Even if the court has passed the statement that this freebies has made the people very lazy and people are not willing to do work, so how can you say that freebies are right in
But
India?
but it
I
also
agree with your
promoting
point, but
the
some yojana
girls.
is improving our society and
Some
Yojana is
government
different from
policies are
freebies.
only-
Yes.
Freebies only comes in elections, and
Yeah.
Yojana is
No,
totally
no.
all
They
over
are
the
basically to
after
5 years.
election,
The
we
but
continue to
freebies is
freebies.
not for a upper level
Topic is
people
freebies
in
in
India.
elections.
They are
but
only
there are certain standard.
welfare for the
there are
people
also
and the
there are also some distributor who take advantage of these freebies, who take storage and who keep it stored.
the
and
responsible
stuff
are
and stuff.
government, and the government are also working this criteria.
This-
Yes.
Select the
this
people and
follow
their
from-
legal documents and
This follow from freebies.
If you go and take a survey from the rural areas of these freebies, you get to know that these freebies are just for the sake of the name, like they are holding throughout the year. But if you see the people in the rural areas, they tell you that the benefit of these freebies, they get these benefits only at the election time only. Like I am also come from a rural area and I have seen this in my village, and also I have seen this is in the news that when the election has come, then only the government has started working on these freebies and all of these yojanas.
Adding
and
to
all.
our point,
Otherwise,
adding to our point,
these
in
are
my
the
village,
also
in my village
supported-
also there are also
in a
freebies.
CM in a-
Like government provide the alcohols to the 500 rupees rupees notes in to give the vote on the election day.
They are basically
Election day.
offering
This
to
is,
give the vote.
they are attracting the voters
And
to
at that
get the
time,
vote. So this is very, I think,
Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mohan Yadav sir, they provide their quarterly freebies. They continue their scheme. That this is not a valid point. They are only
Yeah.
provide the election time. They
That-
provide
No,
schemes
no, they
also.
provide the elections time. If you
During
take the
election.
data or news, they are also provided in elections.
Yes.
How they provide alcohols, rupees, and other food items
Basically, they
to
started
attract the
when-
voters
during the election
and
Yeah,
give
they
them
are
votes.
first time.
distributing phones.
Phones also. So how
Yes.
they can say that this freebies not
They are basically promoting.
But-
writing?
But if we talk about the other scenario, it also promoting the if we talk about the girls schools and other, they were on your point, they are providing free phones, but they also promoting girls to interact with the another world and
And
use internet and also skills their skills.
Those students they passing their 12th class and they scoring high subject. They provide a cycle, laptops and mobile. their strategy to motivate their students to
Yes.
encourage in education.
Alright,
I
they
think
come
this.
with
I
education,
think this
so
is this.
it's not a,
I think this.
Okay, stop. Mrityunjay.
Basically, basically the freebies are to help the essential people, but some people are misusing them. They are not eligible, but they are taking them. So I am against this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
So,
you.
good discussion. Uh, a couple of things. Mrityunjay, when you conclude, you have to take both the parties. Remember that. Um, so, good points. Only thing is that many of you are struggling to frame sentence in English. Okay? So that is the challenge that still remains. And unless and until you overcome this, it's difficult to impress the other person. Okay? Going ahead, your objective should be work on this. You should, because your points were good. You made good points. You have given good examples. अलग-अलग योजनाओं के आप नाम ले रहे थे. वो आपकी टॉपिक्स पे समझ को तो बताता है. From that point of view, it was good. But I think जो articulation वाला issue है अभी भी solve नहीं हुआ. ठीक है. और जब तक वो हम उस पर काम नहीं करेंगे, एक impression factor जो होता है कि भाई 10 में से 5 लोग सिलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, 2 लोग सिलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, श्रेय आपका अच्छा है, एक कृति भी बोल लेते हैं, बट स्टिल देयर इज एन स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. आप देखो आप बोल लेते हो, इट्स नॉट लाइक आप बोल नहीं पा रहे. लेकिन एक होता है ना पूरा कॉन्फिडेंटली बिना अटके बोलना, उस पर क्या बोलते हैं काम करने के लिए. गौरव के पॉइंट बहुत अच्छे थे. तो विनय के भी बहुत बढ़िया थे. दोनों ने बीच में ऐड किया. तुम तो हिंदी वाले ही शब्द यूज कर लेते हो. योजना को पॉलिसी स्कीम समझ रहे हो. यू हैव टू यूज द राइट वर्ड, है ना. कि अब देखो हमें कंपटीशन में रेडी करेंगे भाई, ऐसे तो कर नहीं रहे कि प्रीवियस है तो है ही अपनी जगह. लेकिन कंपटीशन में करना है तो इस बैरियर को हमें ओवरकम करना होगा. आपके आगे की क्लास में इस चीज़ को एड्रेस किया जाएगा. बट यू ऑल्सो एट अ पर्सनल लेवल प्लीज आई होप आपने सबने जोश स्किल्स को डाउनलोड कर दिया है.
Yes, sir.
और आप रोज सोने से पहले किसी से बात करते हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
डेली तो क्यों नहीं करते हैं? गुड नाइट बोल के सो जाओ, सामने वाले को 10 मिनट बात करके एटलीस्ट चेकलिस्ट तो क्लियर करो कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम का अप्रोच काम कर रहे हो. शो दैट कमिटमेंट. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू डू दैट प्लीज. मिस नहीं करना है, क्योंकि जब तक हम इस चीज को ओवर नहीं करेंगे हम कैसे मतलब अच्छी कंपनी के प्रोसेस में आगे तक जाएंगे. हमें प्रॉब्लम दिख रही है तो हमें सॉल्व करना है और हम लोग भी इसमें आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. बट ये ऐसी चीज जब तक हम खुद से काम ना करें जाती नहीं. ओके, तो प्लीज उस ऐप को यूज करो, उसमें बहुत अच्छी चीज है. आई थिंक आपका वो ऐप अभी सबसे ज्यादा उस पर ही आपका हाथ जाना चाहिए, ना सिर्फ बात करने के लिए लेकिन ग्रामर्स के लिए. सब लोग सबके पास है ना?
Yes,
sir. ठीक है, सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो उसका. दैट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. कुछ 300 रुपये का आता है 3 महीने का. ये वर्थ है. हमारी एक बहुत लंबी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी उससे. और मैं चाहता हूँ आप खुद जज करो अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को. मतलब जीडी आफ्टर जीडी इन क्लास, वीक आफ्टर वीक देयर शुड बी एन इम्प्रूवमेंट. ऐसा नहीं कि हम जैसे पहले दिन थे वैसे ही अभी हैं. आप में से बहुत कम लोगों ने जो फेसेस मैंने आपको रखवाए थे वो यूज करें. सारे फेसेस याद किए थे ना जीडी में घुसने के. उनका यूसेज ठीक है, आई एग्री ना है तो ठीक है, और हमको उसको यूज करना. पॉइंट्स वाइट आप सब लोग अच्छे हैं.